Hello everybody, my name is Margot Goleš-Mačešić and you're watching sheccoTV News. This is a quick roundup of the most important natural refrigerant updates from around the world. In today's episode, we discuss an apartment block that will be heated and cooled with ammonia and a Bulgarian store that was retrofitted with a CO2 transcritical ejector system. Let's start with ammonia. A few weeks ago, an ammonia heat pump was installed to heat and cool a 40,000 square meter apartments and business development project in Eindhoven, the Netherlands. The new complex is on the site of the disused Philips factory in Eindhoven. So why out of all the refrigerants are they using ammonia? As stated by the project managers, an ammonia heat pump was selected to heat and cool the building complex because of its high efficiency, zero global warming potential, and zero ozone depleting potential, making the apartment complex a real green building. But that's not all. In addition to the heat pump, the building also uses biomass and solar energy to fulfill other heating needs and produce electricity. Now that's what we call a green building. Okay, next up we travel to the south of Europe. Metro AG has retrofitted a 24/7 store in the Bulgarian capital, Sofia, with a CO2 transcritical refrigeration system using an injector, replacing the previous high global warming HFC system. The use of the ejector also helps the CO2 store be more efficient. How is this done? Well, they recover the loss during a refrigeration system's vapor compression cycle by increasing the compressor's intake pressure. This recovery can then make it possible for CO2 transcritical systems to work more efficiently in warm climates. This was not the only technological innovation. Metro AG's Olaf Schulze told us they also kept the 24/7 store running the whole time they were fitting it with a new CO2-based system. Not easy. Well done, Metro. If you want to find out more about these news items, you can find the links to the articles in the description of this video. Thank you for listening, and I hope to see you next week for sheccoTV News updates. Goodbye.